Land and Foods kids, what do they do?
Today on Mythbusters, we find out.
Myth 1, Land and Foods kids only play in the garden.
Myth number 2, all LFS students, they worship kale.
Myth number 3, they spend all their time reconnecting with food.
And they do yoga. We're about to go undercover, so we're gonna go inside.
We're going to step inside the lives of Land and Food students today who are working on a Think&Eat Green project.
Or something like that.
And model what they could actually have on site.
We're going to do some.
So right now, we're in the middle of the LFS 250 classroom, and we're trying to figure out what they're kind of doing.
We have our special correspondent Drew to tell us what is going on.
Hey guys, from what I can tell, LFS students are learning primarily about food systems and food security. They also have a practical component they call the Think and Eat Green at School project.
Do they just think about green things?
Like vegetables?
Yes and no. Among other things, Think and Eat Green is a project that teaches students in elementary school, high school, and university about all things food. It is a way to get students more involved and active with their food system. Here they are preparing for those activities. Some students taught children how to prepare salads from fresh, local produce.
Okay, but I still don't understand what eating salad is supposed to teach children.
Let's hear what a Land and Food student has to say about the subject.
I think that education about where our food comes from is overall lacking in schools, and it's crucial to develop sustainable environments and sustainable health for these kids. They have such problems of obesity and so many kids buying processed foods and making no links to farm, to fork, and all of the other elements to the system. So going to the basics, going right to the schools and showing them what we're learning is going to be a great step in implementing a change.
Other LFS students taught children how to plant seeds and tend to a garden.
It's good because to them it seems like plain and it seems like a fun time, and if they can relate gardening to having fun and not like in class and having just schoolwork, I think it sets the tone for their relationship with where their food comes from, I guess.
They use this fun approach to teach kids about the food cycle by making food posters and doing art projects.
Kids? Why are they teaching kids? Ugh.
Why is this important?
A really important thing to get kids, reconnected with their food. We become so disconnected with our food, and I think that's where you need to teach them is, when their brains are the most malleable.
Wait, so why are the LFS students teaching? Aren't they supposed to be in class?
Aren't they supposed to be students?
So far it's taught me that the school food system is needing to move in a direction that's more community-based and local and integrate food into the curriculum holistically rather than just have it kind of be something that people need to get lunch over with quick so they can go outside. It needs to be something that's more importance is placed on it in schools. And Think and Eat Green has also taught me that that's actually happening, and there's projects actually working to.
You need to learn how to simplify something just as much as you can. They say if you can't simplify something, then you don't know the subject that well. So it teaches us to represent it in a visual way so that they can understand, and so it's dead clear. I think it's very important because the kids are the future. If we can get them excited at this point, they're going to be the next generation, and they need to be more informed. I guess more informed than we were when we were younger, or our parents were when.
Wow, so there's so much more to Think and Eat Green than just playing in schools with kids.
Yeah, I mean, LFS students are teaching themselves and smaller children how to be great food citizens.
We consider this myth busted.